Hi guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to give you some important news and updates about Intelligence Prime Capital. So today we will talk about the past performance in the last 5 to 6 months. We will talk about my Facebook. Then we will talk about the new licenses that IPC obtained, and also we will talk about audits. And in the end, this is very important, we will go through the big marketing plan changes that will be active from the 17th of January. So it's very important that you watch this video till the end, because in the end I will explain you the very important new changes that will start with the 17th of January. So let's start with the first news. There are right now official MyFacebooks links from IPC where you can track the various bots. We have here the Genius bot, which is the strongest bot, and we can now clearly see the performance on MyFacebook with a verified track record. This record is from August 2021. Here we see the percentages, and the last months it performed exactly like it should. November was very strong, over 50% in raw profits, and here we can see very high income, very low risk. We have a drawdown below 1%, and everyone who wants can analyze here the profitability, profit factor, and so on. So that's great. That's huge that this broker IPC is also registered now on MyFacebook. The next big news is that IPC obtained on the 17th of December a license from the ASIC. This is the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. So that's is great. So we have one more license for the broker, and here you see the regulator ASIC. You see here the number. You can look it up by yourself on the ASIC regulation platform on the website, and you can just search for Intelligence Prime Capital and you will find this company. Here you can click and also see the summary and PDF of the license, and yeah, that's really great news. And we see that the broker is expanding and getting a wider range of clients with new licenses. So the next big thing is that IPC was audited by WikiFX. WikiFX is a third-party platform that checks brokers and financial institutions and gives them a rating. So they try everything, they check the regulation, they check the registrations, they try to scan everything, they analyze the trading. They are looking if the trades, how good are the trades, and IPC get an overall rating of 6.3 out of 10, and this is quite good. So let's see the factors that are important. For example, the license. License is 7.06 out of 10. This is quite good. Of course, it has not all the license in the world, but they have the license to where they can work all over the world, so this is very good. Now see this is the risk management. The risk management of the company is insanely good, 9 out of 10. This is really good. Then business is very low with 3.12. Why? Because of course this broker exists only since last year, since 2021, and that's why they are not as big as all the competitors. So that's why you can't get here a high rating. But the regulatory is also very good. Of course, the regulatory depends on the licenses, and we see they are regulated. They are regulated. It's also shown here that they are regulated, and we see here ASIC regulated, and they check the regulations. So everyone who is saying they're not regulated is not true. It's just not true. They have several regulations that they follow. So this is a very good point, that we have now official audit from a third-party platform. Now, let's get to the changes that will be made in January 2022. So I will not go through the complete marketing plan like he was before. If you want to see this, please watch the other review video on this channel that I uploaded last year. There you see like the old version of the marketing plan, and I will go now only through the changes and the updates that will be activated from the 17th of January. So the first important thing that will change are the ranking system. So we have the same ranks, and before we only had a personal sale and the group sale, and these personal sales and group sales were adjusted a bit more upwards because it was really too low before. Now you need, like, for shareholder director 1 million turnover instead of 300,000. Before it was 300,000. So the numbers are just a bit higher. And now you need a personal investment to keep this rank. So for example, if you want to be regional manager, now you have also to invest or deposit by yourself 5,000 to get to this rank, plus the personal sales, like your first line sales and the group sales. So I think for the long-term activity and for building a structure, this is a good thing, and it will help the people climbing ranks faster because you need personal sales. And I think this will be helpful to develop the network. Now with this, we know that we had before 3 income types. Now we have 4. The first income type, the bot system bonus, it stays the same, 10% from the first line. Here nothing changed. In the second sponsorship bonus, there is a change, and it was before only 10% for all of the deposit. Now it depends on the rank. Like the leader gets 5%, supervisor 6%, and senior manager 7%, and only the managing directors and the shareholder directors get 10% from the deposit in the first line. So, but this money is not taken away. So every percentage that is missing here to reach the 10%, what I mean is 5% from here, 4% from here, 3% from here, 2% from here, and 1% from here. This money goes into a pool, and with that we make the bridge to the new income of IPC, like the new bonus of IPC. We discussed already the management bonus. By the way, the percentages from the management bonus don't change, they stay the same. So like the money that is collected from these percentages that were taken away here, they go to a global bonus. And what does this mean? There is one pool, and this bonus pool will be updated hourly, and all the money will be distributed between managing directors and shareholders directors for once a month. For example, if we have 10 shareholders directors and this pool reached $1 million, then the shareholder directors will get everyone the same part. So 1 million divided by 10, 100,000 on top for the shareholders directors. So this is a great thing, and there's a big motivation to reach the MD and SD levels. That's great in my opinion. So that is so far with the changes that will be applied on January the 17th. So make sure to keep your rank. If, for example, you are managing director right now, that you deposit before the 17th of January the amount that you need to keep the rank. Otherwise, you will be downgraded. So the ranks that you reached right now will not stay if you not top up your own deposit. And in January, IPC started a New Year promotion. That's very nice from them to give us reward the people that are working, to give them a small present for their work. So what we get from this promotion? we get rewards from direct sales. That means in your first line, so the people that you directly sponsored, if you make 10,000 turnover, you get headphones in worth of $100. With 20K, you get a phone or a projector in worth of $300. 50K, there is air conditioner, refrigerator, or LED TV for $900. 100K, a laptop. 300K, you get a Dubai road trip, a 5-star hotel worth $9,000. And for 500K first line turnover, you get a car and also the trip from Dubai. So that's quite nice. And the promotion goes from January, like 1st January, till 31st March. So basically January till April. There are the terms and conditions for this. You can read this, and yeah, good luck with getting these nice prizes during the promotion. So guys, that's it from my side. Thank you for your attention. That's the actual news for IPC, and I wish you happy profits and a good future with Intelligent Prime Capital. See you soon.